Hello guys, welcome to the mini escape game. You're gonna have so much fun today. Yeah, drop the phone, very good. Hey Joe, don't forget your phone.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
It's right there.
Such a bad boy.
Yeah, you too, baby. All right, guys. We got it. We got it. First, we're gonna go there.
Hey Sam,
Mary!
could you watch this for me for a sec?
Sure.
I'll be right back.
Who's there? Who's there?
Come on, guys. Best team.
Best team ever.
1, 2, 1, 2.
Security test. All right.
All right.
All right, guys.
To find the key, follow the clues.
Are you ready, guys?
Yeah, we got to. That's what I want to hear, John.
I'm focused.
Yeah. Okay, guys. You made it. You made it, my John. Yeah, give me a 5. What do you propose, Tom? Go! Trust yourself. Trust yourself. Yeah, guys, we made a great job.
Never forget, it's the guy who's willing to die.
He's gonna win that game. Yeah, man. Yeah, we made it. We made it. Yeah, man. Who's my man? Oh my God!